Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the next term of given sequence, and we have given the sequence 16, 17, 21, 30, 46. Now here 16 plus 1 square will get 17. Okay, like that. 17 plus 2 square, it means 17 plus 4 is the next term 21. If we add 3 square to 21, we will get 30. Okay, then to that 30, if we add 4 square, we will get 46. So next term will be 40 plus 5 square. So it is 40 plus 25 means 46 plus 25 will be 71. Hence the sequence be like 16, 17, 21, 30, 46, and the next term be 71. So our correct option is option C.